Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something crucial for all of us who rely on our laptops day in and out: how to keep our laptops healthy and running smoothly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves watching Netflix, these tips will help you get the most out of your laptop's lifespan. First things first, let's talk about cleanliness. Just like anything else, laptops collect dust and dirt over time, especially in those tiny vents. This can cause your laptop to overheat and slow down. Make sure to regularly clean those vents using compressed air or soft brush. It's a simple step to make a big difference in your laptop's performance. The second tip to boost your laptops, let's talk about storage. A cluttered hard drive can slow down your laptop and decrease its overall health. Take some time to clean your files and uninstall any programs or apps you don't use. Consider investing in an external hard drive or cloud storage to keep your files safe and your laptop running smoothly. This tip will surely help you to keep your laptop good. On number 3, another important is to keep your operating systems and softwares up to date. Updates often include improvements and important security features and performance updates that can help your laptop healthy and secure. Make it a habit to keep checking for new updates regularly and installing them as soon as they are available. Include this information on your priority to ensure that your laptops will be good for your future. The fourth tip on my list is, let's not forget about the battery. Over time, your laptop's battery health can decrease, affecting its overall performance. To help prolong your battery lifespan, try to avoid overcharging in extreme temperatures. Consider calibrating your battery every few months to keep it into shape, otherwise this will affect your laptop's performance so harshly, so this is also an important tip. Last but not the least, this point can also be safe for your personal safety too. Practice safe browsing habits. Malware and viruses can wreak havoc on your personal computer health, so be cautious when downloading files or clicking on the links. Invest in reputable antivirus programs and be mindful of websites that you visit to keep your personal laptops safe and running smoothly. Now it's time to wrap up the video. There you have it, 5 highly effective ways and tips to help you increase your laptop's health and longevity. By keeping it clean, managing your laptop storage, updating your operating system regularly, minding your laptop's battery, and by making and practicing your browsing habits safely, you can ensure that your laptop stays in top shape for years to come. Thanks for watching and sharing your precious time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more information. Have a great day.